Hey everybody, it's John. Welcome back to my channel. While I'm waiting for a few things to come in for the customs group build, again, which is being hosted by Paul over at Left Coast, I'm going to start on another kit. Do have quite a bit of time to get the customs done. I'm going to start on this guy here. I'm kind of excited about building this monster truck here. Wrapper off. I did cut the wrapper ahead of time. Let's see what's in this puppy. So here's the chrome. Looks like we've got some ginormous hubs and ginormous wheel backs, and some engine parts, and looks like some suspension there, some shocks and springs. I'm going to leave this, I'll leave the chrome in the bag here. We got tinted windows. I do like this tint. Now the Volkswagen I made came with a yellow tint, which I thought was horrendous. I do like the smoke. Again, we're gonna leave that in there. Got the cab and the interior tub. I'm gonna leave this in there too. Well, you know what? Let's take a look, because I think that's I don't think that's the interior tub. I think that's the bed. So let's take a look here. Whoopsies. Could have cut it a little more, I guess, but I didn't. There we go. All right. Yep, this is, well, obviously we got the cab here, and yes, this is the bed. So, looking pretty good. I don't think I'm going to leave it the blue. Look at those things, huh? This is so cool. These rubber tires. That is really cool. I'm really excited about building this. So cool. I don't think I'm going to get wildly crazy with it, but I don't think I'm going to make it Hot Wheels either. See what we got in here. We got frame. More frame. Some more frame. And some more frame. And the back of the bed and the visor. Let's see what else we got in here. We got one more pack. Actually, there's one more pack after this, but it's just the metal axle, so I don't think we need to take a gander at that. All right, we've got underside chassis, exhaust. Pretty cool. Some pieces I don't recognize. Got some engine parts. Really cool. Really cool. We've got drivetrain. Sorry, we've got drivetrain. We've got it's like a little bit of an A suspension. Really neat. Appears to be a bumper of one sort of another. We've got the bucket seats, got the radiator and fan all in one. It's like maybe some spotlight covers, fog light covers, whichever you want to call it. Really, really cool. Really cool. There's the aforementioned metal axles, instruction booklet. You all know what instructions look like. I'm not gonna take those out. Looks like we've got a couple different packs of decals. Yeah, so we got these decals here, and then we've got, yeah, let's take a, I don't know if these are two exactly the same. It appears that they are, but one seems to have more of a white backing. Keep that. We've got some maybe, you know, I didn't notice. Oh yeah, okay. Flags. And two, got the two decals here. One is just darker than the other as far as the front grille goes. These are split. These aren't. All right. So we've got two sets of decals. One really cool kit. I'll stick these back in here. So I'm not going to go through the instructions with you. But there it is. So I am going to get to building this puppy. I don't think, and I've heard problems with painting over, I think it's yellow. Hopefully there won't be any problem painting over blue. So I don't think I'm going to leave this blue. Look at those tires. That is just sweet. Wow, I'm just, yeah. I know, right? It's only a kit, but I'm just impressed by it. All right, so there we go. This is what's next on the bench. We are going to get started on this, and I will keep you up to date on everything. I want to thank you for joining me. Thank you to all my old and new subscribers. And if you're watching this and you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless, and I will see you next time.